In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a live event or trivia live on Robinhood.com. Whether you're interested in testing your financial knowledge or want to take part in community events hosted by Robinhood, this guide will walk you through each step so you can participate smoothly and make the most out of the experience. First things first, let's get started by logging into your Robinhood.com account. Right at the onset, make sure that you're using your correct credentials and that you're logging in from a secure internet connection. Robinhood prioritizes security, and so should you. This helps protect your personal and financial information. If you've enabled two-factor authentication, now's the time to complete that process to ensure your account stays safe. Once you've successfully logged in, look towards the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll see a tab called Rewards. Go ahead and click on the Rewards section. This is where Robinhood highlights special programs, bonuses, and, most relevant for today, their live events and trivia live games. This tab functions as a hub for all sorts of engaging activities designed to help you earn rewards, learn more, and have some fun while you're at it. When you're in the rewards area, keep your eyes peeled for banners or highlights labeled Trivia Live or Live Event. These are usually prominently displayed either at the top or within featured sections, because Robinhood wants to make joining these events as easy as possible. Once you spot a Trivia Live banner or any live event notice, simply click on it. This will take you directly to a dedicated page with all the details about the event. On the event page, carefully follow the on-screen instructions to register for the live game. Typically, it's as easy as clicking a Join or Play Now button. Robinhood may display a countdown or provide you with information about the event time and how many players are already enrolled. Make sure you review any event-specific rules or participation guidelines, as these can enhance your experience and make sure you're fully prepared for what's ahead. Before you can actually play, there's one last step: ensuring your Robinhood account is verified and that you have full account access to participate. If not, Robinhood might prompt you to complete any necessary verification steps, such as confirming your identity or updating your account information. Having your account fully set up is crucial, not just for joining events, but also for claiming any possible rewards. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you can quickly and confidently join live events or trivia live sessions on Robinhood.com. Participating in these events is a great way to learn, connect with the community, and possibly earn some exciting perks. Good luck, and have fun with your next trivia live event.